Hello, welcome back to The Broken Doll. Well, you can see I've been busy. I've got, out of the 10 Barbies, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 of them. 6 Barbies ready to go. But the problem is, I've been having with them, is that they want to slide on these stands. So I want to show you a little trick. I've shown this before when it comes to bigger dolls, if they're sitting inside of on a high chair and they're sliding. This is just shelving paper. And shelving paper, you can get it right from your Dollar Tree, dollar stores, and that's where I get mine from anyways. Or you can get it at Walmart, wherever you want to pick it up at. I find it's really cheap at the dollar store, and I don't use too much of it. I've had this for years. But I need to take each one of these stands and cut out a circle or oval, whatever the shape of this is, to help these dolls. And you don't need it to be the exact size. Sometimes just a little square where they're standing will even work. You know, you'll see what I mean in a minute. You don't have to do it to the shape of what's there. So I've got this here, and I want to show you how I do this. So let's put some of these dolls to the back, and we can get them out of the way, and I can show you. So I'm just going to bring this down a little bit so you can see this. This is not going to be on the dolls right now. It's going to be on this part here. So I got my scissors ready. You just want to cut a piece off right now. All right, so I got a piece cut off. So I see that I've got this doll here, any one of these here. So what I can do is, I just try this out first. So I take and I just cut. Okay, and now I know this isn't going to work, so I just need a little bit for underneath her feet. So, you know, you do a guess-o-matic on it, and there you go. You put this underneath her feet, and now I don't like that. That's still just a little bit on the big side. So let's just trim a little bit more off for her. And there you go. She's now standing on that, and now she won't slide. Now that will hold her right there. There, and now she's not going to go anywhere. Yeah, I can feel the grip on her feet. So now she's not going to go anywhere as I move her around. Otherwise, they start sliding. And I like to pose their feet, not all the same. I like to put some differences in there. So anyways, we'll do the next one over here. Let's get this girl back here. Her feet here. Oh, I found their shoes hard to deal with. Oh my goodness. Now sometimes you can keep little pieces like this, and you can just put like a little block underneath each shoe if you wanted to do that. Like, so you can go like this. If she's going to be like that, you can go like this. Oh my, we're having a cake. It's just a chocolate cake mix. That's all it is, nothing special. So you could do this as well. So you don't, there. And that will help her not to slide off around on the stand. And now it looks like she's walking. So you can get rid of a lot of pieces too. Like if you get a little piece, you can use it somehow, somewhere, you know. And so now anyways, we might want to, I got this little piece left here. Let's just see, maybe that could work underneath her here. See, she just slides. And oh, I was talking about the shoes. Oh my goodness, I've never dressed Barbies in a long time, and I can tell it's been a while. Let's get your creak up your neck, yeah, your leg. There we go. There. So now, well, it looks like you're now bent too much. Both your legs are. Okay. Oh, see, they lose their these little cheap China shoes. I don't like. I'm never buying those again. I got them off of Etsy. Never again. They have to be actual Oh, now she's lost this one too. This is what happened. Oh, she's losing both of them at the same time. Let's see if we can get them on at the same time. I know my arm's in the way. There we go. All right, so I got her back with them on again. It just doesn't look natural. I'll have to play around with her, you know, to get them so that they look natural. Her leg just wants to bend in. Whoops, we lost her hat. Maybe that would be better. Okay, that looks a little bit better. I'll have to play around with her. Okay. Should I go to the back? I think so, yeah. I washed their hair. I braided her hair, this one here, just so you can see as I'm talking about them. Let's talk about this one. I gave her, I'm not done yet because I want to get flowers and everything. So she's got like a space bauble at the top of her head with a side flare. I don't know what you want to call this, but it's Tammy's design. Her, I just left it the way the way her hair was. I just washed it, brushed it out. Hers, this one here, I braid it. And I put a bunch of braids in her hair. and because she already had that wavy hair, so I want it to increase. I don't have a crimper here, otherwise I would crimp it, but I don't have a crimper. So I'm going to look for one at the thrift stores, because I see them always there, so I'm not going to buy one brand new. I just need a cheap little crimper. But you got to be careful with them, because you can burn their hair and melt it. Not so much burn it, but melt it, because it's plastic. We're talking about plastics here. This one here, I don't know if I did it or that's the way she already was. I think that's the way she already was. I didn't wash her hair. I just cleaned her body. I liked the way her hair was. It feels good. Left her at that. This one here, I washed her hair. Just left it the way it is. And this is that Little Debbie's doll. And I did wash her hair and put some more curls back into it again. But it's got like a self-curling in it already. I just used some straws with some, I just cut a straw up. And I used, what do you call it, to hold the straws, bobby pins to hold the straws in. So anyways, though, that's these 6. Now there are 4 more that are going to come. Those you won't see right now. They'll be a surprise on with my Easter video for you. So anyways, yeah, this looks pretty good. I'm just going to pull this back. Now you might want to get some colored, if I can find colored, tomorrow when I'm going out tomorrow. And because there's supposed to be, there was rain today, and then after that there's supposed to be rain. I got tomorrow only, and then after that it's supposed to be rain, and I'm on a bike. And so anyways, to do this right, I got to do it right, you know, type of thing. I got to, you know, get out there. And so tomorrow I'm going out. So anyways, I'm going to go out tomorrow to Walmart and dollar stores, and I'm going to be looking around. If I find some colored stuff like Eastery looking, I doubt it, but if I can, I will get it and put it underneath there for them. You know, I just thought about, I might just do this. I've got felt. Why not use felt? Okay, I'm going to come back. I'm going to keep this video, put it up for you, because it's nice to see my bloopers. But you need to see this too. This is good stuff when it comes to dolls like your dolls like this. I keep little squares in a baggie. Can I find my baggie right now? No. I don't know what I did with it. So I just did some thinking. So this is my thinking for today. I still have 2 hours left of the day, and there will be no more thinking now. So with that being said, yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get my felt. I've got Easter colors in there, and you can just put some felt underneath and use Easter colors. Woo! All right. There you go. I just thought of it now. That would make it look so much Eastery. Cammy's new word. All right, coming back. You saw, everybody witnessed me thinking. So there we go. I have proof in the pudding that I can think. Okay, we'll be coming back really soon. And we're going to cut felt instead. I just came to with that right now. All right, thank you for joining me. If you like what you just heard here though, and this is something you would consider for your everyday Barbies, doing this, that's great. And I think you can even buy clear. So if you want to see the stand through, you can buy the clear, but I think it's got little lines running through it. Maybe you can find absolutely clear wherever you live. I haven't looked for it yet, but I'd like to. And I like to put this underneath my stands. And again, it's great for high chairs, chairs where a doll is sliding out. You can put a nice piece underneath their bums, and that holds the doll in place on the chair. A lot of my chairs have big pieces of this stuff underneath them. I'll put a nice piece underneath them, and it helps them, it just keeps them right where they're supposed to be in the chair. I love it. So anyways, and for small dolls like this that are sliding on your stands, so it is a good thing to use anyways. But let's go get the felt. I'll be back in a little bit here, and we're going to cut out some Easter colored felt to put on these dolls. Okay, thank you for joining me. We'll be talking to you again really soon. Bye-bye.